Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to cancel a Zelle payment sent through Chase. So here's a quick guide on how to cancel if it is still pending. So if you want to cancel the transaction if still pending, the first thing to do is to open your Chase mobile app, then log into your Chase account. Then from there, go to pay and transfer. So click on Zelle activities, then find the pending payment to someone not enrolled yet. So tap and select cancel this payment, then hit the confirm, then the fund will return to your Chase account. So what happens, what if you don't say they cancel this payment? So that means the payment has likely gone through, which is the recipient has enrolled and has received the money. So at this point, it cannot be cancelled. But here's what you can do. You can simply call the customer support, which is the number is revealed in the video. So just call the customer support and explain the situation. Then they can advise or help if it was an authorized mistakes. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. So if you find the video helpful, if you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.